בימים האלה, בהם ארגון הטרור החותי יורה על מדינת ישראל.
When the Houthi terrorist organization is firing missiles at Israel, I want to convey a clear message to them at the beginning of my remarks. We have defeated Hamas. We have won over Hezbollah. We have blinded Iran's defense systems and damaged the production systems. We have toppled the Assad regime in Syria. We have dealt a severe blow to the axis of evil. And we will also deal a severe blow to the Houthi terrorist organization in Yemen, which remains the last to stand and fire at Israel. We will damage its strategic infrastructure, and we will behead its leaders. Just as we did Haniyeh, Sinwar, and Nasrallah in Tehran, Gaza, and Lebanon. We will do it in Hodeidah and Sana'a. Whoever will raise his hand to Israel, his hand will be severed. The IDF's long arm will harm him and will settle the score.